In this question, you have to identify the organism in which the experiment for the semi-conservative replication was first shown. Now, the experimental proof for the semi-conservative replication of DNA was demonstrated by Messelson and Stahl in the year 1958 using the bacterium Escherichia coli, that is E. coli. Their experiment involved growing E. coli in a medium containing heavy nitrogen isotope, that is N50, and then transferring it to a medium with lighter isotope, that is nitrogen 14. And they used density gradient centrifugation to observe the distribution of DNA densities, which confirmed the semi-conservative nature of DNA replication. Thus, the correct answer is option B, that is bacterium.